Cookie sheets are essential tools in any kitchen. Whether you're baking cookies, roasting vegetables, or cooking a full meal, a good cookie sheet can make all the difference. I have listed the 5 best cookie sheets of 2024 to help you choose the right one for your needs. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Let's take a closer look at these top picks. Number 5. Caraway Nonstick Sheet. This nonstick sheet is the best choice for health-conscious bakers who prioritize non-toxic materials in their kitchen tools. This baking sheet is made from aluminum and features a nonstick coating that is free from harmful chemicals such as PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, lead, and cadmium. By avoiding these toxic substances, Caraway ensures that your baking is safer for both you and the environment. This baking sheet is built to last, withstanding oven temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it ideal for a variety of baking and roasting tasks. Although it is not dishwasher safe, the easy-to-clean surface only requires minimal scrubbing, making hand washing a breeze. Its modern design and sleek look not only elevate your baking game, but also add a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Now available on Amazon, this consciously crafted baking sheet is perfect for those who want to bake with peace of mind, knowing that they are using a product that is as safe as it is stylish. Number 4. Farberware Cookie Baking Sheet. This cookie baking sheet is recognized as the best for heat distribution, thanks to its insulated bakeware design. Made from carbon steel, this large cookie pan features double layers that enclose an air pocket, which helps heat circulate evenly. This innovative feature ensures that your cookies and baked goods come out perfectly browned from edge to center, with consistent baking results every time. The heavy-gauge steel construction of this baking sheet resists warping, providing a sturdy base that can handle the demands of high-temperature baking. It's oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it versatile enough for a wide range of recipes. The nonstick surface allows for easy food release and quick cleanup, although it is recommended to hand wash this pan to maintain its quality. Farberware's attention to detail in its design makes this baking sheet a top choice for anyone serious about achieving professional-grade baking results at home. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Nonstick Sheet. This nonstick sheet is the best designed option, featuring a sleek and functional build that makes baking more convenient. Made from aluminized steel, this baking sheet offers both durability and high performance. Its curved, tapered design is precision-engineered to make it easy to access hard-to-reach spots, ensuring that you get the most out of your baking space. This baking sheet comes with micro-serrated blades that are notched to hold items in place for cutting, providing a secure and controlled baking experience. What makes it stand out is its ease of cleaning. The blades separate easily for hand washing or can be placed in the dishwasher for convenience. The non-slip handles offer a comfortable grip, reducing hand strain when moving the sheet in and out of the oven. With its high heat tolerance and robust build, this non-stick sheet is perfect for bakers looking for a combination of innovative design and practical functionality. Number 2. USA Pan Cookie Sheet. This cookie sheet is the best value option, offering a set of 2 large-size sheets made from commercial-grade aluminized steel. These pans are designed for both amateur and professional bakers who want a reliable, high-performance baking tool at a reasonable price. The aluminized steel construction provides excellent heat distribution, ensuring that your baked goods come out evenly cooked every time. One of the key features of this cookie sheet is its patented Americoat coating, a silicone-based nonstick layer that is free of PTFE, PFOA, and BPA. This coating not only helps with easy food release, but also makes cleanup quick and hassle-free. The raised edge on the pan provides a secure grip, making it easier to handle, especially when taking it out of a hot oven. This baking sheet is dishwasher safe, which adds to its convenience, but it can also be easily cleaned with hot water and a mild soap if preferred. Proudly made in the USA by the Bundy Family Company, which has over 60 years of bakeware manufacturing experience, this cookie sheet is a durable and budget-friendly choice for all your baking needs. Number 1. Nordic Ware Sheet. This sheet is the best overall for those seeking a reliable, high-quality baking sheet. Made from pure aluminum, this pan stands out for its exceptional durability and performance. The aluminum material ensures that it will never rust, providing a lifetime of use without any concerns about wear and tear. Its superior heat conductivity means that food bakes and browns evenly, making it an ideal choice for everything from cookies to savory sheet pan dinners. One of the standout features of this sheet is its reinforced encapsulated steel rim, which prevents warping and adds to its overall strength. This feature makes it a durable and sturdy option, even under high temperatures. The set comes with 2 half-sheet pans, giving you the flexibility to handle large baking tasks or multiple dishes at once. Although it is not dishwasher safe, the hand wash recommended cleanup is relatively straightforward, especially when used with parchment paper or silicone baking mats. Proudly made in the USA, this product exemplifies quality craftsmanship and long-lasting performance, making it the best overall baking sheet in this lineup. And there you have it, the best cookie sheets of 2024 that will take your baking game to the next level. Whether you're crafting chewy chocolate chip cookies or crispy sugar delights, these top picks are sure to deliver perfect results every time. If you're ready to snag one of these baking essentials, be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow baking enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy baking!